Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize business liability insurance with Hiscox, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your business liability insurance with Hiscox, begin by assessing your specific business needs. Identify the types of risks your business may encounter. Consider factors such as industry, location, and revenue. Next, gather all relevant business information. This includes your business structure, employee count, and any existing insurance policies. Research the various liability insurance options offered by Hiscox. Understand the differences between general liability, professional liability, and product liability insurance. Evaluate how each type of coverage applies to your business. Reach out to a Hiscox representative for expert guidance. Discuss your specific needs and any unique circumstances. Obtain multiple quotes from Hiscox for different coverage levels. Compare these quotes carefully to identify the best fit for your budget and needs. Review the coverage limits and deductibles associated with each policy. Ensure that the policy adequately covers potential risks in your industry. Look for any additional endorsements or riders that may enhance your coverage. Consider bundling policies to potentially save on premiums. Once you've chosen a policy, review the terms and conditions thoroughly. Clarify any confusing language with your Hiscox representative. Following this, finalize the application process. Submit all required documentation accurately and promptly. Once your policy is in effect, keep it organized and easily accessible. Regularly review your coverage as your business grows and changes. Update your policy as necessary to maintain adequate protection. Schedule annual reviews with your Hiscox agent to discuss any adjustments needed. Lastly, stay informed about new risks and emerging trends in your industry. This proactive approach ensures your business remains well protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.